Another day, another chance, another way, another dance. Today I'm discussing to you all about, the quiz that I'm going to be doing right now. So let's get to this. Following seems but Dart and Java interfaces are true. They can extend multiple interfaces. What is the correct way to declare an interface in Java? As the interface keyword is used without an abstract and methods are implicitly abstract unless marked default or static. What will the output of the following code be? Same, because that's the integer value. You know, can an interface method be private? Yes, but only Java 9 and later. Java 9 introduced private methods and interfaces to allow sharing logic between default and static methods. But the main difference between class and interface. So you kind of have method bodies in interface pre-Java. So which Java feature allows multiple inheritance of types? Interface. Oh, oh, thank goodness. Oh, wow, that one. Interface have a method body. Default to static methods, Java 8. How many abstract methods can functional interface have? One. Which of the following is functional interface in Java? All of the above. And then here's my score.